In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out Thinkorswim chart. If your chart ever feels cramped and you want to see more price history at a glance, zooming out horizontally is the quickest fix. On Thinkorswim, the simplest way to do this uses just one key and your mouse. Here's how to get it right the first time and every time after that. First, make sure your mouse pointer is actually hovering over the chart area, the main pane with the candles or bars, not over a sidebar, watch list, or another panel. The shortcut we're about to use only affects whatever panel your cursor is on, so this little placement detail matters. Now, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Keep it held down the entire time for the zoom to register smoothly. While holding Control, use your mouse wheel to scroll down. That scrolling motion, combined with the Control key, tells Thinkorswim to zoom out horizontally. You'll notice the time axis along the bottom compresses, the candles get narrower, and more bars come into view without changing the vertical price scale. This is especially useful when you want to capture a bigger picture of a trend, spot earlier support and resistance levels, or compare where current price action sits relative to previous swings. Go slowly at first. Small scrolls create small, precise changes. If you scroll too quickly, you might jump out farther than intended and lose your place visually. If that happens, don't worry. Just take a breath, hover over the same chart area, and make a couple of gentle adjustments until you're seeing the range you want. Keep holding Control the entire time you're scrolling. Releasing it pauses the zoom function. A few quick tips to keep the process smooth. If nothing seems to happen, click once on the chart to make sure it's active. Then try again with the Control key held down as you scroll. Also, confirm you're scrolling in the down direction. Some mouse settings invert the scroll direction, so down should feel like pulling the wheel toward you. Finally, remember that this action only affects the horizontal dimension, so your price scale on the right stays consistent while time expands. That's all there is to it. Hold Control, scroll down with your mouse wheel, and watch your Thinkorswim chart reveal more of the timeline. Practice it a few times, keep your cursor over the chart pane, and you'll be able to frame your analysis exactly the way you want, fast, clean, and under full control.